Hi, this is Alex from Cephable, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use pre-built control profiles as a template to customize for yourself with all the existing profiles built into Cephable. To get started, all you have to do is go and add a new profile. You can do that by either clicking the plus over here or down here in the create a new profile as well. I like to use the one in the top right. On this page, we'll see a whole bunch of different pre-built control profiles, things like mouse basics, media controls, keyboard navigation, and more. If you want to create a control profile from scratch or use the AI generator from Cephable, you can scroll down to the options below here, where you can create one from scratch or use the profile wizard. You can also search for profiles based off of what you want to do. Things like searching for mouse controls means that I'll have the mouse basics one show up and see the other ones filtered too. Let's go ahead and preview this profile. However, if you've already used one of these profiles before and you want to just add a new copy of it, you can go ahead and click add a profile here to jump right in and customize it for yourself. When we go click on preview, we'll see that we have the ability to search for different profile controls that are built within it, as well as a quick view of what's inside. We know now that this profile has virtual buttons, face expression controls, and voice controls too. And we can go ahead and click on any of these to actually see what the details are. For example, here's one for double click, which has a voice command where I can say double click and it clicks the mouse twice. I can also see that there's ones in here for hold click and release click too. This means that I can use a voice control or I can use an expression control like open my mouth in order to hold down the left click. And on the other side of things, I have release where I can say a voice command like release, or I can close my mouth in order to stop the hold, which means that I can do things like click and then move my mouse and then release, like with opening my mouth, move the mouse, close my mouth, and we can do things like drag and drop different components in different apps or different windows. Super useful too if you're using the head mouse control within Cephable. So if I want to now customize this control profile and take it or use it out of the box, I can go right up to the top and click add profile. And this will take me to the profile editor just like you would see otherwise. If I want to make any changes now, for example, maybe I don't want to have to say double click, I just want to say double. I can go in and edit this one control, remove the extra bits, add any other controls that I want within that to have the double click happen, and then click save and finish. And now I've got my own copy as well. So now I can go ahead and select it. And I'm off and running. I've got my mouse basics set up, and of course I can always come back in here and edit it too. Be sure to check out all the different pre-built profiles. We're constantly adding more with each update, so keep an eye out for new updates that might be applicable to you and the different things that you want to do with Cephable.